Hi, Miss Jeneline. Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, sir. I am Jeneline Baranga, 31 years old. I am from Balitangan, Tamban, Laguna, Sarangani. I am married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, sir. I have two kids, 12 years old and 10 years old.
Who will take care of your children if you come to Malaysia?
My husband.
How many siblings do you have?
I have siblings, three sisters and three brothers. I am the eldest of my family.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am graduate high school.
Do you have overseas experience?
Yes, sir. I finished 2 years and 3 months in Saudi Arabia. I work in a couple employer with 1 kid and 1 year old. I did all around household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, and taking care of their child.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, trustworthy, and honest.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Why do you want to go abroad?
To earn money for my family.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Could you sing me a nursery song?
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa.
Are you scared of cat or dogs?
No, sir.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk them with a calm voice.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
To my future employer, if you're going to hire me, I will teach you like my own family. Thank you.